Morning, it's May 26, 11:03. Kasama ko si Roy. Happy birthday, Ali! Ito na na. Morning! so wala yung mga babae at nandun sila sa Mexico City. Rosito ba? So doon nag-celebrate si Ali ng kanyang birthday. Yan o. Ting! Yan. So dito tayo sa labas po pwesto. So okay, tapos kakain. Siyempre no rice. More on veggies tayo ngayon. Tapos siyempre may protein yan. So dito tayo. Outside tayo. So doon kami nag-park. Doon sa lagpas doon. So ang church ay doon. Medyo malayo ang church. So yan, form of ano din to. Exercise. So kailangan na gawin ko ito kasi nakakaano din to nakakapayat. So may mga adjustment tayong gagawin ngayon. So yan, medyo ang parking. Actually si Ace ang nag-park doon. Malayo doon. Naiiwan pa sila doon. So doon pa kami nag-park. Ay, nag-rate natin yung birthday ni Aliona kahit wala sila. Kasi nasa Mexico sila, yung mga babae. Kasama yung mga kaibigan niya. So nag-celebrate ng birthday niya. Let's go! Okay, nandito tayo sa Box Kitchen sa Garden Grove.
Huh? They're gonna text. Just waiting here.
Ha?
They're gonna text us.
No?
No, text.
Oh, text. Okay. And dito tayo kakain. Box Kitchen. Okay, dito tayo sa kitchen. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Ano sila may all made in Japan, no? This made Japan. Yeah. No? Ito yung mga dito. Stove is 29. So na lang. Okay. Speakers. Sir, rice dispenser. This is video for video. Okay. Your phone. 99. Display only. Maganda rin to. That's it. Small clock. Right, sir. Thank you.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Scan that QR code for menu, okay? Kaya pala ayaw niyo.
Hi, welcome guys.
Mango dragon fruit tea.
Which one? Mango dragon fruit iced tea.
Wala silang steak.
That's like right. Thank you guys. For you guys, 2 lychee lemonade, and then 1 hot water with lemon. Sorry about that. I have to move some stuff around. Here you guys go. I got a straw for you guys right here. Enjoy, guys. Yeah, of course. I got for you guys for over 80.
Hey guys, we have a couple fried rice with ribeye steaks here.
Hold up.
This is gonna be fried rice ribeye steak. We have another fried rice ribeye steak. And we have one that's just the steak itself. Alright, pardon me.
Thank you.
Of course, enjoy.
Birthday, Ali. Where's Ali? Dito kami. Oh.
We're eating, we're celebrating.
Ace. Roy. Wow, kumakain din sila. Oh. Kain. Happy birthday, Ali. What you guys eating? Ali. Happy birthday. Nasi Ali. Nasi Ali. Angel. Angel. To you. Happy birthday, Ali. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
When they went for Ali, it was a
Happy birthday, Ali. Happy birthday, Ali. Happy birthday, Ali. Overbook siya.
Is it possible to get it to go?
No. And then one box.
And then, yeah, one box.
Just one box. Here you go. Yeah. And they will bring it out when it's ready, okay?
Bring it out.
You take yours back here.
I did December.
I need to do the landmark.
Okay, let's go. Celebration ni Ali dito sa Box Kitchen. Busog. All rice. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Costco. Tingnan lang natin kung magkano ang ating malalagay sa ating gas at magkano ang gas ngayon dito sa Lakewood, California. Yung ating gas So, tingnan natin. Okay. 16 guys. 71, 16, 72, 73, 16, 74, 25, 70. Oh my goodness. It's $77, 17. Mahal. So, $77, 17 gallons. Grabe. $77. Price ng gallons nga ay $4 something, you know. 17 yan. Grabe, mahal. 4 point something. Ito sa California lang po ito. Ayan po. Grabe. Tipid-tipid. Okay. Kaya muna tayo ng ng loto bago mag-exercise.
$10.60.
10?
$10.60.
Yung mga may oo.
Naranasan ka na yan.
Naranasan mo na?
Ibang numero yung
Di ka double check mo lagi. Kabayan. Okay, good luck din.